Welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 164 scale race. Today we went out and hit the Family Dollar. Went a little peg hunting at the Family Dollar. Must have put out some new cars. We got some pretty good hits. Pour them over here in our crate. First up, we got an '89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, whatever all that means. Got pretty good detail, painted lights, tail lights. Pretty nice. Next, we got a Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. Pretty sweet little Porsche. New for 2023 also. We got an '82 Toyota Supra. It's pretty nice. We got a '87 Dodge D100. I love these old trucks. We got a limited grip. That's also a new for 2023. We got a tuned twin mill. I think Hot Wheels loves their twin mills. They got so many different versions of them and colors of them. Anyway, that's the tuned one. Then we got a Porsche 935. Then we got an '82 Corvette gasser. You know I love my gassers. Then we got an Audi RS e-tron GT, as you see. Got good painted detail, headlights, tail lights. It's like that gunmetal gray or battleship gray, bluish color, whatever. It's pretty nice. We got a Porsche 911 GT3. Pretty nice Porsche. Then we got a Corvette C7 Z06. It's also got pretty good detail on it. And we got a Fiat 500e. And then last, which made the whole Family Dollar trip worth it, got a '95 Jeep Cherokee, which is also a treasure hunt. Sitting on the back fender. So I did end up finding a treasure hunt. But anyway, hope you enjoyed looking at them. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.